Merseyrail is a train operating company operating commuter services on 3 different lines and serving 68 stations across 75 miles of track, excluding the City Line. The first part of the network initially opened in 1977 and was already known as Merseyrail, although it was operated by British Rail. It draws its name from the county itself, Merseyside, which is itself named after the River Mersey. Unlike other train services around Liverpool, the Merseyrail network is electrified using a 750 volts DC third rail, and this is because, unlike most other train lines in Merseyside, the network has been built to handle much more capacity, and also because part of the stations are underground, it would be difficult to put in place adequate ventilation for diesel trains to be allowed to operate. As a result of this choice, Merseyrail operates 57 3-car-long Class 507s EMUs built by British Rail as a part of the PEP family of trains. They were built in 1978 to replace the aging Class 502 and Class 503 trains. But soon the Class 507 PEPs are leaving to be replaced by the much more modern Class 777, built by Stadler and designed specifically for the Merseyrail network. Surprisingly, Merseyrail is the second busiest urban/rapid transit system in the UK after the Underground in London, as it sees 34 million passengers each year, which is roughly 110,000 passengers daily. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please consider subscribing and leaving a like, and why not sharing this video. See you next time. Videos are published every Saturday at 15:30 British time. Thanks for watching.